Fitbit Charge 5 Advanced Health Tracker Pricing explained what you get for your money. The Fitbit Charge 5 isn't just a step counter, it's one of the most advanced fitness trackers in its class. But is it worth the price tag? Let's find out what you're really getting for your money. The Charge 5 brings together fitness tracking, heart health monitoring, and stress management into one sleek wristband. It includes built-in GPS, a NIDA sensor for stress response, and an app for heart rhythm assessment, features that used to be exclusive to premium smartwatches. Most people get this wrong. They think Fitbit just tracks steps and calories. But the Charge 5 goes far beyond that. It measures your active zone minutes to optimize workouts, your daily readiness score to show how recovered your body is, and your sleep score to improve rest and recovery. You also get continuous SPO tracking, skin temperature variation data, and smart notifications for calls, texts, and calendar events. Fitbit Premium, which costs about per month, adds even more, like guided workouts, personalized insights, and advanced sleep analytics. Together, it turns your Charge 5 into a complete wellness companion. Battery life lasts up to 7 days, and it's water resistant up to 50 meters, perfect for swimmers or anyone who forgets to take it off in the shower. So, what do you get for your money? A blend of science-grade sensors, actionable health insights, and Fitbit's intuitive app experience, all in a comfortable band built for daily wear. If you want a balance between smartwatch power and fitness tracker simplicity, the Fitbit Charge 5 gets you accuracy, intelligence, and motivation in one small package.